Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to plot and group K-maps. So for that, we will first take a few examples and we will learn from it. So we have already learned what is a min term and what is a max term. So min terms are nothing but sum of products and max terms are nothing but product of sums, right? So here we take an expression of a min term and we are going to try plotting this Boolean expression. So this Boolean expression, here we have y is equal to a bar b c bar d bar plus a b bar c d bar plus a bar b c d bar plus a b bar c d plus a b c bar d. Okay, so there are two ways of drawing the schema. So one way is where we are assuming zeros and ones for A, B, and C, D. The other way is where we write the complemented and uncomplemented form of A, B, C, and D. So here we can use either of the ways according to your convenience. So here let me explain in this part. Okay, so we all know it's a four variable expression. So we need a four variable K-map. And so we need 16 cells. So this everything we are aware from our last few videos. So here assuming the first product term A bar B, C bar, D bar. So A bar B is here, C bar, D bar is here. So the coinciding with the B expression and CD expression, we can plot a 1 in the fourth cell. The second term, A B bar, C D bar. So it's A B bar here, C D bar here. So coinciding both horizontally and vertically, it is the 10th cell. So we will plot a 1 here. The third expression, A bar B, C D bar. So it is A bar B, C D bar. So coinciding with these both, it is a 6th cell and hence we are plotting a 1 here. The fourth product term, A B bar, C D. So it is A B bar and C D. So coinciding with A B bar and C D is the 11th cell, hence we are plotting a 1 there. The last product term is A, B, C bar, D. So A, B, C bar, D. So it's in the 13th cell, hence we are plotting a 1 here. So this is how basically we plot a K-map based on the min term expression. Sometimes the cell numbers are given as the min term elements and hence we can directly plot to the cell numbers. We can correspond to them. So either this method or that method is used. So in the remaining cells, we can plot the zeros or we can leave it blank. That is optional, up to you. And when it comes to a max term expression, instead of 1, we will be plotting zeros. And in the remaining cells, we will be writing 1 as optional. Okay, so it is just the opposite of how we do in the min term expression. Let's get into grouping. So this is how we generally group in this is how we generally group K-maps. So all these centrophore ones can be grouped together. Let me first tell you, grouping is it usually takes place in the power of 2s, 2 power of 0, 2 power of 1. So you can group 1, 1, or you can group 2 ones. That is 2 power of 0 is 1, 2 power of 1 is 2, or you can group 2 power of 2, that means 4 ones, or 2 power of 3, that is 8 ones, or 2 power of 4, that is 16 ones altogether. Okay, so you cannot group 3 ones or you cannot group 6 ones together, right? So how you can group, generally it is like 4 ones together in the center or in the sides like this you can group. Or you can group the 4 corners of the K-maps and you can group vertical for ones or you can group horizontal for ones. You can even overlap group with horizontal ones and vertical ones. This can be either in 2s or 4s anyway. Okay, and the 4 ones, as I told you, again this is overlapping group. So basically our concept behind grouping is that we have to group as many ones as possible. It can overlap how many other times. Okay, suppose you have this possibility Instead of grouping these fours together and these two ones together, you have to group only these four ones together. Only then our expression will get minimized. All right. So I hope this one was useful to you. These are the other ways of grouping 8 ones together in a 4 variable K-map. So we can group the center 8s or the corner 8s, corner horizontal 8s, corner vertical 8s. This is vertical center 8. Right? So there are a few types of grouping called illegal grouping where we don't allow diagonal grouping. Okay, diagonal grouping is not allowed in both the twos or fours or eights. Anyway, diagonal grouping is not allowed. And this type of threes grouping, as I told you, fives grouping is also not allowed. You cannot group like in this shape at all. It has to be either horizontal, vertical, or in the patch stripe. So we can just check another expression which says a b bar c plus a bar b bar c plus a bar b c plus a bar a b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c bar. Okay, so here again we are plotting the expression a b bar c, a b bar c. That means this is a 1, a bar b bar c, a bar b bar c. So this is 1. Okay, another one is a bar b c, a bar BC. So this is the other one. A B bar C bar. A B bar C bar. So a 1 here. Okay, and the last term is A bar B bar C bar. So it is A bar B bar C bar. This one here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 product terms. So here again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 product terms. So how to group this? These four ones we can group together. Okay, and this one will be left out then. So instead of grouping 1, 1, we have to always group for maximum number of ones group as possible. So here we cannot group 4 ones together, but we can group these 2 ones together. So this 4 together, okay, and this 2 together. So we will have 2 groups in this problem. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.